Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start 6th chapter of your book Honeysuckle. The name of this chapter is Who I Am. And in today's video I will share the summary of this chapter. So this chapter basically talks about diversity and variety, and this chapter also tells that everyone has something special in him or herself. Everyone is unique in their own way and have some special qualities. So in this lesson, there are 6 different people whose uniqueness has been shared. So as I told you that everyone is unique and have something special, some special qualities. So some different people have shared their unique experiences and feelings. So one of them is Radha. She shared her feeling and daring acts. She said that her favorite thing was to climb trees. She likes the most to climb trees. Climbing trees gave a feeling that she was able to rule the whole world. But her mother often advised her not to climb trees as it was not good for girls. Her mother thought that while climbing trees she may hurt herself. But what happened? One afternoon her mother also climbed on the tree with Radha, and both sat on the tree and enjoyed by talking and eating raw mangoes. Second one is Nasir. Nasir also shared his feelings and he wished to become a seed collector. His family has cotton fields in the village. His father spent a lot of money buying seeds to grow new plants every year. Nasir wanted to save those monies as his grandfather told him that in their times they used to grow new plants from the seed of their own plants. But this is not possible in present time. Everyone has to spend lots of money to buy new seeds. So when Nasir knew that it is possible to save the money, to preserve the money for the next year, but while being possible, his family has to spend lots of money to buy new seeds. So he wanted to know the art of seed preservation so that he can save money of his father. And third one is Rohit. Rohit was fond of traveling. It means Rohit's favorite thing was traveling. He would have visited the whole world if he had enough money. His favorite places where he wanted to visit was the mountains of New Zealand and the Amazon River in South Africa. He also wanted to visit the beaches of Lakshadweep and Konark Temple in Orissa. He also included the city of Beijing in China and pyramids of Egypt in his favorite places. And Rohit loved nature more than old buildings. It means Rohit wanted to visit the natural places more than old buildings. And number 4 is Sarabjit. Sarabjit was full of anger. It means he was so angry because the people around him often showed him distrust. It means they did not trust Sarabjit whenever he spoke the truth. It means the people around Sarabjit never trust Sarabjit, and whenever Sarabjit spoke anything, they said, "You are not speaking true." For example, when he told his teacher that he couldn't do his homework because his book was with Ravi, it means Ravi took his book, that's why he could not do his homework. So his teacher thought that he was speaking lie. And whenever his brother fought with him, his parents always blame him that you have started the fight, not your brother. But in fact, his brother started the fight, but his parents were not ready to accept it, and they always said that you started the fight. That's why Rohit gets angry. Sarabjit gets angry. So when no one trusts him, he gets angry and was trying to control his anger. And fifth one is Dolma. Dolma was a girl of high aspiration. Her wish was to be a prime minister. As prime minister, she wanted to serve the country and make things better for the people. It means she wanted to provide good facilities for the people. Her belief was that she had leadership qualities. It means she thinks herself that she is a good leader, and often she solved her friend's problem, and teacher also showed their interest in her abilities. Whenever some new things was to be done in the school, it means whenever any new thing was to be done in the school, teacher always gave the responsibility of that work to Dolma. And last one is Peter. Peter's favorite day was second Sunday of the month, because on the second Sunday of month his family often went for picnic. They watched films, eat peanuts, ice cream, etc. And all this means watching films, eating peanuts, ice cream, etc. refreshed everyone's mood, and they felt very happy. So this is the summary of your chapter. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.